Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing a comparison of the JBL Partybox 310 versus the 110. As you can see them sitting next to each other here. I'm going to play the same song, same room, full volume, and I think it will be quite a good sound comparison as to the two. Obviously, if you're all trying to consider which one you should probably buy, this will probably help you out. So I'm going to play them, the whole song for you each time, with one off and one on, so you know which speaker is playing. Obviously the one with the lights on is the one playing, and then I'm going to cut it up in post for you so that you can kind of tell a bit better as to swapping between each mid-song, if you see what I mean. So it's going to start off with the 310 and then it will swap through as the video goes on. I hope this is useful for you.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the rains will burn us back. You are the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cry for me. Hold you hand while the pain was over. If you want shadows in